What are the most important skills of a data scientist? A question many ponder upon, especially those venturing into the world of data science. As we navigate our way through this data-driven era, the role of a data scientist becomes increasingly significant. They're the wizards who transform raw data into meaningful insights, driving informed decisions. This video is your compass, guiding you through the top skills that every data wizard needs to master, so buckle up. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the essential skills every data scientist needs. Now, let's delve into the top skills that make a data scientist stand out. First off, we have statistical analysis. This is the foundation of a data scientist's work. They need to understand how to analyze data, identify patterns, and draw conclusions. This skill is essential for interpreting complex datasets and making data-driven decisions. Next, we have programming languages. Python and R are two of the most popular languages in the world of data science. They are used to manipulate data, create visualizations, and implement machine learning algorithms. Without a solid grasp of these languages, a data scientist might as well be trying to write a novel without knowing the alphabet. Speaking of machine learning, this is another must-have skill. Machine learning techniques are used to create predictive models and algorithms that can learn from and make decisions based on data. This skill is all about making machines smarter and more efficient. Then there's data visualization. It's one thing to crunch numbers and analyze data, but it's another thing entirely to present that data in a way that's easy to understand. That's where data visualization comes in. It's the art of turning raw data into clear, concise visuals. Data wrangling, or cleaning and organizing data, is another crucial skill. It ensures the data used in analysis is accurate and relevant. Lastly, we have domain knowledge. A data scientist needs to understand the industry they're working in. Whether it's finance, healthcare, or tech, a deep understanding of the domain helps in making sense of the data. These skills form the backbone of a successful data scientist's repertoire. To become a successful data scientist, mastering these skills is not an option, but a necessity. Let's recap. It's essential to have a strong grasp of mathematics and statistics, as they form the bedrock of any data-driven decision. Programming skills, particularly in Python or R, are crucial to manipulate data and design algorithms. Knowledge of machine learning techniques is equally important for predicting future trends based on historical data. Furthermore, data visualization skills, using tools like Tableau or Power BI, enable you to present complex data in a clear and understandable way. But remember, these skills are just the starting point. The field of data science is dynamic and ever-evolving, making continuous learning not just beneficial, but imperative. Whether it's keeping up with the latest algorithms, understanding new data management tools, or simply staying updated with industry trends, the learning never stops. Remember, the journey of becoming a data scientist is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the learning process and keep updating your skills. Your journey into the world of data science starts here.